Close your eyes, take a deep breath and let your imagination transport you to a time long before human footprints marked the Earth. Imagine a world untouched by humans. A pristine, unspoiled wilderness where nature reigned supreme, and the air was filled with the sounds of ancient creatures. A world ruled by creatures of immense size and power, the dinosaurs. These magnificent beings, with their towering forms and thunderous roars, dominated the landscape. For over 180 million years, these magnificent beings roamed the Earth, adapting and evolving through dramatic climate changes. They lived in diverse habitats, from dense forests to open plains, each species carving out its niche. The Earth during the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, was a dynamic place. It was a time of great geological activity with continents drifting apart and new landforms emerging. Continents shifted, volcanoes erupted, and climates fluctuated from scorching deserts to lush rainforests. These changes created a variety of environments where dinosaurs could thrive. Dinosaurs, with their incredible ability to adapt, thrived in these ever-changing environments. Their resilience and versatility allowed them to survive and flourish in conditions that would challenge many modern animals. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, a fearsome predator with a powerful bite, to the long-necked Brachiosaurus, a gentle giant that grazed on treetops, each dinosaur held a unique place in its ecosystem. Their interactions shaped the world around them. Their adaptations, whether physical traits like sharp claws and teeth or behavioral patterns such as hunting in packs, were key to their survival. These adaptations allowed them to exploit different resources and avoid predators. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the fascinating world of dinosaurs and their remarkable ability to adapt to our planet's ever-changing climate. Discover how these ancient creatures lived, thrived, and ultimately left their mark on the history of life on Earth. Our journey begins in the Triassic period, roughly 252 to 201 million years ago. This era marked the dawn of a new chapter in Earth's history, following the catastrophic end Permian extinction that wiped out nearly 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrates. Earth was a very different place then. The planet's surface was dominated by a single massive landmass surrounded by a vast ocean. All the continents were merged into one supercontinent called Pangaea. This supercontinent stretched from the northern to the southern poles, creating a unique and diverse range of environments. The climate was generally hot and dry, with vast deserts stretching across the land. Seasonal monsoons brought brief periods of rain, but for the most part, the environment was harsh and arid. The Triassic was a time of recovery after the largest mass extinction event in Earth's history. Life was slowly rebounding, and new species were beginning to emerge, filling the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction. It was in this harsh environment that the first dinosaurs emerged. These early dinosaurs were part of a broader group of reptiles known as archosaurs, which also included the ancestors of modern crocodiles and birds. They were relatively small and agile, built for survival in this challenging world. Their lightweight bones and strong legs allowed them to move quickly, evading predators and hunting for food. These early dinosaurs, like Coelophysis, were fast runners and opportunistic hunters. Coelophysis, one of the earliest known dinosaurs, thrived in the Triasic's arid environment, using its speed and agility to catch prey and avoid danger. Alongside these pioneering dinosaurs, the Triassic landscape was teeming with a variety of other life forms. Early mammals, amphibians, and a diverse array of plants began to establish themselves, setting the stage for the rich ecosystems that would follow in the Jurassic period. As we move into the Jurassic period, 201 to 145 million years ago, we see a dramatic shift in both climate and the dinosaur kingdom. Pangaea began to break apart, leading to the formation of new seas and coastlines. This era saw the rise of the most iconic dinosaurs, the giants that ruled the Earth. The climate became more humid, and lush forests covered much of the land. This provided ample food for massive herbivores like Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus. The Cretaceous period, 145 to 66 million years ago, was a time of incredible dinosaur diversity. The continents continued to drift apart, leading to a greater variety of habitats and climates. Flowering plants evolved, providing new food sources for herbivorous dinosaurs. This era saw the rise of some of the most iconic and diverse dinosaur species, including the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex and the horned Triceratops. Adapting to survive. A closer look. Dinosaurs, like all living things, had to adapt to survive the changing climate. They developed an astonishing array of physical and behavioral adaptations. Some dinosaurs, like the Stegosaurus, had plates on their backs that may have helped regulate their body temperature. Others, like the Spinosaurus, had large sails that could have served a similar purpose. Behavioral adaptations were just as crucial. Some dinosaurs may have migrated long distances to find food or suitable breeding grounds, just as many animals do today. Section 6. The Cold Truth. Dinosaurs in Winter Wonderlands. While we often picture dinosaurs in tropical environments, some face the challenges of colder climates. Fossil evidence suggests that some dinosaurs lived in polar regions, enduring long periods of darkness and freezing temperatures. These dinosaurs, like Laeoelinosaura, may have had special adaptations to survive the cold, such as feathers for insulation or the ability to slow down their metabolism during harsh winters. Section 7. The heat is on thriving in a greenhouse world. The Mesozoic era experienced periods of intense heat, even hotter than today. Dinosaurs living in these greenhouse conditions had to adapt to extreme temperatures. Some dinosaurs, like Tyrannosaurus, had large crests or sails that may have helped them release excess heat. Others may have sought shade during the hottest parts of the day, much like some modern-day animals. Section 8. A Planetary Banquet. The Dance of Plants and Dinosaurs. The evolution of plants and dinosaurs was intertwined. As plant life diversified, so too did the dinosaurs that fed on them. The emergence of flowering plants in the Cretaceous led to new feeding strategies. Some dinosaurs, like the duck-billed hadrosaurs, developed specialized teeth for grinding tough plant material. This coevolution of plants and dinosaurs shaped the ecosystems of the Mesozoic. Section 9. Cataclysm and Legacy. The End of an Era. The reign of the dinosaurs came to a dramatic end around 66 million years ago with a cataclysmic event, the impact of a massive asteroid. This colossal collision unleashed an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, creating a crater over 180 kilometers wide. The immediate aftermath was catastrophic, with shockwaves and heat incinerating everything in their path. The sky darkened with ash and debris, blocking out sunlight and plunging the Earth into a prolonged winter. This event triggered widespread devastation, including massive wildfires, tsunamis, and global climate change. The intense heat from the impact ignited wildfires that raged across continents, while the seismic activity generated tsunamis that swept over coastlines. The dust and particles thrown into the atmosphere caused a dramatic drop in temperatures, leading to a nuclear winter scenario that lasted for years. This sudden and severe climate change disrupted ecosystems and food chains, leading to the extinction of approximately 75% of Earth's species. While this event marked the end of the dinosaur era, their legacy lives on. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals, and eventually humans. The void left by these magnificent creatures allowed for new forms of life to evolve and thrive. The story of the dinosaurs is not just one of destruction, but also of transformation and renewal. The birds we see today are the direct descendants of dinosaurs, a testament to their remarkable ability to adapt. Over millions of years, these ancient creatures evolved into the diverse avian species we are familiar with today. From the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle, birds carry the genetic legacy of their dinosaur ancestors. Their evolution showcases the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. By studying dinosaurs and their adaptations, we gain a deeper understanding of life's resilience and the profound impact of climate change on our planet. Paleontologists and scientists continue to uncover new fossils and evidence, shedding light on how these ancient creatures lived, adapted, and ultimately perished. Their research not only helps us understand the past, but also prepares us for future challenges in preserving biodiversity and combating climate change. Their story serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of protecting the delicate balance of our world. The extinction of the dinosaurs is a powerful example of how sudden environmental changes can have drastic consequences. It underscores the need for us to be vigilant stewards of our planet, ensuring that we do not repeat the mistakes of the past. By learning from the history of the dinosaurs, we can better appreciate the fragility of our own existence and the importance of maintaining the health of our environment for future generations.